Alright, moving on to the last ones for this assignment. 8, 9, and 10. We gotta do f minus g, evaluate it at 8, and times it by a -6. So this one's gonna be oodles, and oodles are fun. Let's put -6 out front. We'll put down f, which is 7 minus 2x. And then we're gonna subtract g, which is 4x minus 8. And I'm gonna put 8 in now, because, well, I can. And if you put 8 in now, we got all sorts of things we need to simplify inside. -2 times 8. And then subtract 4 times 8 minus 8. Alright, simplifying the inside here, we gotta do -2 times 8, which is -16, or just 7 minus 16, which is going to be -9. And then we have subtract. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract 8 gives you 24. So now we got -9 minus 24. I do believe that is -33. Times it by a -6 is going to give you positive 198. Ta-da! That one actually wasn't that bad. Moving on to 9. Oh man, we got all sorts of funky stuff going on. 8's going to be on the outside. This one's not even evaluated a number, so make sure we just keep it as x's. We got to do -2 times 7 minus 2x minus 3 times 4x minus 8. So distribute your numbers through. We're gonna have -14 plus 4x, and then make sure you distribute here as well. We're gonna have -12x and positive 24. Combine like terms. That in the middle is going to give you -8x. 14 and -14 and positive 24 is going to give you 10. And now you can distribute the 8 through to give you -64x plus 80. Bam. 9. And number 10. Luckily this one has us evaluating at -1. So might ease our burden a little bit. Make sure you do things in the proper order here. So h is -5x minus 1, and f is 7 minus 2x. So now we got all this. I'm going to distribute my numbers through. Just kind of simplify things a little bit inside there. So my left one is going to give me -15x minus 3. And that's kind of hideous writing there. -15x minus 3. And I got minus 28 plus 8x. I'm going to combine all those like terms inside there. -15x and positive 8x gives you -7x. And then combining these two guys is going to give you -31. And then I'm going to times it all by a -2 to give me positive 14x plus 62. And now we have to take the -1 and put it in for x here. So we're going to have 14 times -1 plus 62. Well, 14 times -1 is just -14, and 62. So that's like 62 minus 14. And let me do a little bit of math. Yeah, okay, it's looking like positive 48. The end. Pwned.